Hi, my name is Paul and I'm an Agile coach at Dynatrace in Linz, and I'm a speaker at Agile Vienna this year. My talk will focus on AI tools and their impact on Agile coaching. The availability of AI tools, especially large language models like GPT and ChatGPT, raises important questions for various professions, including Agile coaching. We are going to explore how AI tools can benefit and enhance the work of Agile coaches. In my view, these tools have the potential to greatly improve our efficiency and our effectiveness, even in their current state. Looking ahead, AI tools may become invaluable partners in analyzing complex adaptive systems, identifying the root causes of problems, or navigating the many facets of business agility. It's fascinating to think about how close we may be to an AI facilitating whole workshops on its own, even in the face of challenging discussions, or one capable of designing organizational structures, or even one improving whole organizations on its own. In general, I'm rather optimistic about the future of AI and Agile coaching. As these tools become even more powerful and user-friendly, I expect more widespread adoption within the next years. I look forward to engaging with you at Agile Vienna. Make sure to be quick and get one of the remaining tickets.